me a little breakfast. And, oh, my hair's looking a hot mess, ain't it? It's that damn humidity out there. Anywho, I'm going to have a little breakfast. I'm going to work on some of my marketing a little bit for my jewelry brand. I have contractors here, so that's why I'm talking low, because they're replacing the new AC, central AC unit, as well as the water heater. Maybe more hot water, last longer and hotter. Anywho, so that's what I'm going to do. So I made me basically avocado toast with a scrambled egg. So that's what I'm gonna have. Guess I should have got a better fork. Yummy.
Read my lips.
guys, so we got a box. Let's see what's in there. So I got some free gift stickers. We got, oh, another magnetic car phone mount. My husband loves mine. And I got some more retinol, tritention gel. And I got hubby his favorite gel, his hair. And let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I can put some of my pieces on here. Look at that, it's got a little velvet bottom. It won't shift. It's a little tray. You can put jewelry on and take pictures. Oh, cool. Okay, well that's all guys. Bye! We have another box. Let's see. Oh, I got the Biolage Ultra Hydro Source. I love this conditioner and shampoo. My hair, it just looks amazing with this. And I have one more item, but it's not here yet. But I'll show you when it does come. Okay, bye. Hey guys, good morning. I'm gonna have me a little bit of a bunny rabbit egg, is it what we call it? I've had these since I was a little girl. I used to make them for my daughter. Great cappuccino. So just to give you a little bit of update, I thought I would jump on here real quick. I'm gonna have me a little spa day because I took these off, and I'm gonna take the rest of these off, and I want to put another pair on, and I think I'm gonna do me a little foot spa. But anywho, the house that we went to go see on Saturday, or a few houses we saw on Saturday, there was one particular one that we fell in love with, and we discussed it driving on the way home, because there's like probably like an hour and a half. It's about an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes from here, where we currently live. So we decided to go ahead and put an offer in. So this morning, hubby went to the title company and dropped off a check, and the agent, my agent and the listing agent dropped off the contract or emailed it over. So it's pending now. So I called the inspector. He's gonna go over there and do the inspection tomorrow afternoon. And I'm sure everything's gonna be fine because everything is brand new. I didn't have a complaint about anything in the house. But I don't know, that a few of there's an accent wall in the dining room and in the living room. There's like a blue color. Actually, it's like a blue like this. And they painted the bottom part of the island in that same color. So I possibly may change just the island and make it gray like the cabinets are. It's a light gray. It'll leave the two accent walls. I'm still undecided, but I'm so excited that we're gonna be able to move and get into a new home and start over. It has a beautiful, like this loft up above. So that would be great. I could do like some filming up there and stuff because it has bright lighting and bright lights and windows and everything. So it has like that morning sunlight. So I think that I will wait to start the Poshmark account after we move, because I have contractors that are starting Friday to come out here. I have the plumber coming out to do the water heater and the plumbing issue in my primary bathroom shower. And then I think on that following Monday, I have the other company coming out to put new installation in and new skirting around the house. And then they're gonna do the subfloors and new flooring in here and new carpeting, new cabinets. I have my shower door has to be adjusted, as well as my door to my little office. It's not shutting right. It's kind of hard to open and close now, and it was not like that before the flood. But yeah, so my goal today is to take care of me a little bit. I'm gonna do a little spa myself, and I'm gonna look through some of my emails and answer some of those and check my orders, and that's it. And just have me a little bit of breakfast. All right, bye guys. Okay, so I have my little drill here. I got my light machine here. I got all my little gadgets and towels and everything else. I got a bunch of my colors there. And my little spa thingy. This heats up, it vibrates, and it folds down and it gets flat so you can store it. It has a little lid for there too. So I'm gonna take the girls out to play first, and then I'll come in and do my little spa. Hey guys, so we got a package from Dye Candy. Never heard of it. Don't even know what's in here. So let's see what they sent. Well, okay, so this is a new, it says introducing your sweet new hair color ritual. And then it comes with a pamphlet. Ah, look at this. So this is a new way to put color on your hair. Woohoo! Let's see. Look at this. So this is how it came. So it's a bottle that stays up. You put your color in here and you put it on your lines, and you use the little nozzle here to smooth it out like that. Let's see. Oh, it came with a brush. It's a little brush to clean it. And I think this is like a little stand. Let me see. I can get this out of here. Cute, cute packaging. Cute, cute packaging. And then I guess this is what it sits on. No? Maybe? Maybe not. I don't know. What the heck is this? Oh, it's the lid. So when you're done, take that off. So I guess this is a message in a bottle. How cute is that? Look at that. And then I guess if you have more color you want to save or something, you can close it up this way. Cool beans. Let's see what this little message in a bottle says. Huh, how am I gonna get this off? Okay, this is not working out too well. Okay, so let's see. Look at me. I am one patient hummingbird. Please do not underestimate a bird brain ever again. So it just basically gives you like information here. So that's it. Okay, just wanted to show you guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. We are on our way to church. I'm bringing quiche today for our little potluck after the service. So I just wanted to jump on here and say good morning. Have a happy, safe Sunday. Hey guys, good morning. So I just wanted to jump on here. We're on our way to church, and just let you know that finally found a house, and we went under contract, and we will be closing soon, the next few weeks. So it's gonna be time to pack and move it on again. So I'm excited for this new journey and this new area that we're moving to. It's about 2 hours away from where we currently live. So that's it. Just wanted to give you some good news, and I hope everybody has a happy, safe Sunday. Guys, good morning. So it's going to begin now. the contractors come tomorrow to start doing the flooring and new carpeting and new laminate floors. So we got to start packing and disassembling everything. So I do have some boxes here. So I'm going to pack up these dolls that I have here and take down this bed, and just got to figure out where I'm going to put things. I have to pack up my other room as well. Here in my little office room, I have to start packing this room up. This is going to be crazy, packing this room up. And then we will proceed to the rest of the house. I need to go through these drawers, through those drawers, things that we're not going to take with us, and just get everything kind of like cleaned up. I'm going to take that table down today. Maybe I'll just start stacking things over here and to get things out of that bedroom so they can start on that end of the house. And then once that's done, I'll just kind of use that room for storage. But I definitely need to get everything else I need to start doing in the utility room as well. So yeah, I got a lot to do. And we close on October 14th on our other house. Then we got to put this one on the market.